Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best coolers with wheels on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Coleman Rolling Cooler. The high-capacity cooler with wheels is designed to hold up to 84 cans at a time. Be it a fishing trip or camping, you can carry your drinks in this rolling cooler designed using Xtreme technology. It comes with an insulated lid and added wall insulation for keeping ice for up to 5 days in high temperatures. This cooler has an easy-to-roll, compact design with a telescopic handle. Have a seat lid. Closed lid supports up to 250 pounds. Cup holders, molded into the lid to keep drinks close and prevent spilling. Telescoping handle, for easy pulling and compact storage. Pros. Heavy-duty wheels. Includes built-in cup holders. Easy to clean. Secure lid. Cons. May wobble. Number 2. Second best pick is RTIC Hard Cooler. Created to keep ice up to 10 days, the wheeled cooler has a capacity of 45 quarts. The 45 is small enough to carry alone but big enough to store drinks for the whole group. Temperature retentive, the 3-inch foam insulated walls plus the cool lift design feature will make worrying about your ice melting a thing of the past. Mobile and multifaceted. Use the heavy-duty rope handles to take the 45 anywhere, and when you need an extra hand, this cooler doubles as a step stool, tabletop, or cutting board. Heavy-duty protection. The combination of durable rubber T-latches and molded tie-down slots will keep your food and beverages secure. A sidekick for every adventure, rotomolded construction makes this cooler tough enough to handle every excursion, from off-roading in Moab to picnics in the Grand Canyon. Pros. Heavy-duty rope handles. Allows fast draining. Strong rubber T-latches. Non-slip feet. Rotomolded construction. Cons. May be heavy. Number 3. Third best pick is Arctic Zone Titan Deep Freeze Collapsible Rolling Cooler. The cooler with wheels comes with high-performance insulation and a radiant heat barrier for comfortable outdoor excursions. Triple-layer cold block base has 3 thick layers of superfoam that are designed to keep the conductive heat from the hot ground at bay. Ultra-safe leak-proof lining with microban protects against odors and stains and helps make this product easier to clean. Water and stain repellent, wipe clean exterior, expandable all-terrain cart can be used on its own and holds up to 100 pounds. Features an adjustable backsaver shoulder strap with anti-slip shoulder pad. Interior dimensions. Length into width into height, 13.25 into 12 into 14.75 inches. Pros. Expandable front compartment. Leak-proof. Removable. Easy access lid. Adjustable shoulder strap with pads. Cons. Lid may pop open. Number 4. Fourth best pick is YETI Tundra Hall Portable Wheeled Cooler. Engineered for all kinds of adventures, the ice cooler on wheels by YETI has a stainless steel construction. Rotomolded construction makes it armored to the core and virtually indestructible. The Hall is the first ever YETI cooler on wheels. Perfect for taking the Tundra's legendary toughness and unmatched insulation power the extra mile. Never flat wheels, a solid, single-piece tire construction that is impact and puncture resistant. Note, Tundra Hall is not compatible with the dry goods basket or divider. Strong arm handle, a durable welded aluminum arm with comfortable grips. The curved design tracks left or right for heel-friendly towing. Rotomolded construction makes it armored to the core and virtually indestructible. Pros. Leak-proof. Welded aluminum arm. Interlock lid system. Durable latches. Non-slip feet. Cons. Wheels may be cheap. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Igloo Wheeled Portable Sports Cooler. The large cooler with wheels has a capacity of 24 quarts. It features the unique cool riser technology that keeps the content cool for long. The elevated base keeps the contents away from hot surfaces. It is a high-density polyethylene construction and comes with a removable, recessed spigot. Features: plastic build. Made in the USA. Recessed spigot is leak-resistant and removable for convenient cleaning. Locking, telescoping handle with inset wheels offer easy transportation. Molded inside handles provide easy lifting. Pros: easy to clean. Molded inside handles. Telescoping handle. Inset wheels. Cons: gasket may fall out. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.